Select your data and click on Recommended Charts in Insert tab. You will get a list of charts that are compatible with your data. Choose Waterfall to show the cumulative effect. In Design tab, you can save your chart in its own place by clicking on Move Chart. Tick New Sheet and click OK. Now you can add the chart to Sway or PowerPoint, for example. From Insert tab, you can create a sparkline, which is a chart that fits into a single Excel unit. Click on Sparkline and select your data range. Click OK and your sparkline will show under your data. Example 2. Select your data and go to Recommended Charts in Insert tab. Choose Pareto chart. Pareto chart distributes data in descending order.